Ngicala la. Tito has the ball, ne? Tingizela. Watch where Tito is. A lot of people don't like Tito, but if you watch Tito and you don't watch the game, ne? You'll understand why are important to Pirates, because you must look at his movement. You look at his movement. Now he's there. He's gonna come back. Now. Stop la. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hang it. There's 5 defenders, because this guy is a winger, but I don't know why he was here. Sharp. Now there's 3 here. Lowest 4 bigger press. Now the ball is gonna come here. This guy, you are not supposed to press here because you are late. If you press here, you are going to open up his space lah. Do not press. The ball comes here. Now he wants to press. You are late. Don't press. This team is not well coached. You should have stood here. This guy ezala azopressa. Then lo mela push na ezela. But no, this guy wants to do his own thing. He presses, the ball comes here, then cross, pagat inside. Oh my Rabafet. Ow, Jehovah. Let me take it back. Another thing, another mistake. Guys, in football, awuna huri. Lo umuntu wami, okimutwaka. No. When you are defending, you must pick the guy that's dangerous. Okasiru wena, lo umuntu wami. Because when you are a left back, you must pick the right winger. No. Ayisebenzi kanjalo. Now, watch this guy. Remember Tito scores, but this guy is focusing la. Tito makes a run. You can't be standing here because lo wena umuntu wako. No, umuntu wako awushatanga mpanagiti. Ay man. Look at this guy. Ow, Mara Jehovah Bafit. The basics of defending. The basics of defending. Awuna muntu wena umaka umuntu in a dangerous position. Uthi wena lo umuntu wami. Lo umuntu wami. Amboma.